Childhood is a treasure trove of memories, a time when laughter echoed through the air and each day held a new adventure. For many, including myself, crochet was more than just a hobby. It was a magical thread that wove its way into the fabric of our lives, making everything sweeter and brighter. I remember those carefree days when the sun seemed to shine a little brighter, and the world was filled with endless possibilities. As a child, I watched in wonder as my grandmother's skilled hands transformed ordinary yarn into intricate works of art. The rhythmic click of her crochet hook was like music to my ears, a comforting melody that filled our home with warmth and love. For me, crochet was more than just a craft, it was a language of love spoken in colorful stitches and patterns. It was through crochet that I learned the value of patience, perseverance, and creativity. Each stitch was a small victory, a testament to the power of imagination and determination. But beyond the tangible results, crochet brought people together in ways that words could never express. I remember sitting with my grandmother for hours on end, listening to her stories as we worked on our latest projects. In those moments, the world seemed to slow down, and all that mattered was the bond we shared and the joy we found in creating something beautiful together. As I grew older, I carried the lessons I learned from crochet with me, like cherished treasures tucked away in the corners of my heart. In times of joy and sorrow, triumph and adversity, crochet remained a constant source of comfort and solace, a gentle reminder of the simple joys that make life worth living. Today, as I look back on those sweet memories of childhood, I am filled with gratitude for the gift of crochet and the profound impact it has had on my life. It has taught me to find beauty in the ordinary, to embrace the imperfections that make us unique, and to cherish the moments spent in the company of loved ones. In a world that often seems chaotic and uncertain, crochet serves as a beacon of hope, a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there is always light and beauty to be found. And so, I continue to crochet, not just to create beautiful things, but to weave a tapestry of love, joy, and gratitude that will endure for generations to come. Are you enjoying it? Tell us in the comments where you are talking about and which one you liked the most. Please like, subscribe and share. We are doing this beautiful work with lots of love for you.